The rag like this. I learned this from Anthony.
Oh, like from Queer Eye?
Yeah.
I keep asking him questions when he puts like food in his mouth.
Every time.
Hey guys, it's Fernanda. Welcome back to my channel. So today's video is a little bit different, as you can tell. We are in my kitchen and we are going to be cooking together, and Alex is going to cook with us too.
What's up, guys? It's your favorite husband.
So we're actually working with Home Chef to bring you this video. A few vlogs ago I mentioned how I suck at cooking, and they reached out to me and wanted to see if I wanted to try it, so here we are trying it. In case you don't know what Home Chef is, it's basically a subscription service. So they send you some really yummy recipes like this, and they send you all the ingredients that you need for the recipe, as well as step-by-step instructions, and they send you that every week, I think. So if you're interested to check out Home Chef, I'll have a link down below where you can get $30 off your first week, and yeah, check it out.
Link down below, guys.
As you guys know, I just got married, or we just got married.
It takes two to get married, but...
And before that, I never really cooked, but now I kind of want to learn, but it's hard. So why don't you tell them about my cooking learning curve? What do you think of my cooking before this?
Top 3. I always say that. Everything that I try is in my top 3.
So we're actually in between these two recipes to make for today. So this one is the Italian sausage pasta with Brussels sprouts, and
this is the steak and garlic chive butter. If you want me to read it,
I think we're gonna go with a steak. Alex is a really big steak person, so we're gonna do that. You have a couple different options with Home Chef. So what you can do is you can pick 2 different meals like we did, but have 4 portions for each meal, or you can pick 4 different meals, 2 portions each. But since we both work, we like to take leftovers from dinner as lunch, so that's why we decided to go with a 4-portion meal. So that's what we're gonna do today. Alright, so we're gonna get started. We have the ingredients conveniently packed in this bag, and they are labeled as well. I'm labeled here so you can know which one they belong to. So let's go ahead and get started. Alright, so first thing we're gonna do is you're gonna preheat the oven at 450 degrees. Do you know how to do that?
I actually think I do. Okay guys, first step down.
Alright, so first we're gonna roast the vegetables, and Alex is gonna get a pan type thing so we can put them. Okay, so we finished cutting up all the veggies. Now it's just a matter of putting olive oil and salt and pepper.
2 tablespoons of olive oil, and then salt and a pinch of pepper.
So these ingredients were actually not in the ingredient bag, but the recipe will let you know what you do need ahead of time.
The rag like this. I learned this from Anthony.
Oh, like from Queer Eye?
Yeah.
Okay, so now I have to mince the chives. I think these are chives, so I'm gonna go ahead and start mincing them. And then also finally mince the garlic.
Isn't that what you do?
Yeah. Alright, so it looks like the food is about ready. Alex is packing his lunch for tomorrow, and we have a plate ready so we can show you guys. Let me turn off the water. Honestly, it looks so good, and it didn't even take that long, so we'll see how it tastes. Here's Alex's lunch for tomorrow. This was a little butter ball that I made earlier that you saw, and then there are the veggies. So he's gonna have a pretty good lunch for tomorrow. I'm sure your bosses are gonna be pretty impressed.
Yeah, tell my mate at Home Chef.
So if I had school tomorrow, which I don't because I'm on winter break, I would take one of these, and this is what it looks like. It looks so good. Okay, so we're gonna taste it now. It looks really good.
Here you go.
Like I said, Alex is a big steak person, so He's probably gonna like it. I like steak too, but Alex likes it more.
Very good. Se ve bueno. Looks good.
Alex's parents approve. I think it's pretty good. And I think it's safe to say that Alex thinks it's pretty good too. So how long did this take us, do you think, from start to finish?
About 45 minutes to an hour maybe.
Yeah, and let's consider when we were filming this. So that took a little longer trying to get like shots of us cooking. But on a regular basis, in real life, we wouldn't be filming it. So it probably took a little bit. Alright, so that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you did, please give this video a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to check out Home Chef in the links down below. And also, don't forget to use the coupon code or link that's going to be in the description box below, where you can get $30 off your first week with Home Chef. If we do this again, we'll make it more interactive, so we'll probably do like a Q&A mixed in with this, where you can ask us questions, or you can ask Alex questions about whatever you want, and then we'll cook and talk to you guys, and that'd be pretty fun. What do you think? I keep asking him questions when he puts like food in his mouth.
Every time. Let's do it, guys. Ask me questions. Let's get personal.
Alright, so that's it for today's video. I'll see you next time. Bye.